welcome back to my channel. Well, yesterday I placed a online Walmart grocery order. So I just thought I would show you the process. I don't have to show you the process of ordering online because that's, in my opinion, pretty self-explanatory. But what I wanted to share with you, if you're a first-time user of placing groceries online, remember to use the code Walmart10, uppercase Walmart, no spaces, the number 10, and you will get a $10 credit towards your grocery bill. So that's pretty neat. As well, in order to place the online groceries, you do have to spend a minimum of $50, which this day and age, that's pretty much easy to do. So yeah, so I want to take you along and show you the process. So I picked a pickup time between 10 and 11, I picked a pickup time between 11 to 12. Right now it's 11:17. So I'm going to be picking up my groceries at the location on Dufferin between College and Bloor. Sorry about that, a call came through and I had to pull over and pick it up. So yes, I believe the address is 900 Dufferin Street, so that's where I'll be picking it up. And hopefully it's smooth sailing. It normally is. The one good thing though that I have, good depending on how you look at it, if they don't have that certain product that you ordered in stock, they'll substitute it. And if it's a higher dollar value, you don't pay the difference, which I find good. For example, on my last order, I ordered a pack of the Keurig Timothy's coffee. I ordered, I think it was a 12-pack, and they didn't have the 12-pack in stock. It was on sale, so they substituted that with a 30-pack at no extra charge. So that was pretty darn good. So yeah, so I'm going to take you along. Once I get to the spot of where my groceries will be delivered, I do have to call them, provide them with my name and which parking spot I'm in, and they'll deliver it. Normally it doesn't take any more than 5 minutes. So that being said, I'll take you along with me. I'm almost there. So, and today is a little overcast, although the sun looks like it wants to peek through the clouds. And you can see a lot of the leaves are still green on the trees. And this is Dufferin Mall. Straight ahead, you can see there's a Marshall's there on the right hand of the screen. And this mall I've been coming to since I was a child, so. You can see the Walmart pickup. I'm actually going to drive by it. It's pretty full. Look, everyone decided on Sunday, I guess, to do the grocery pickup. So this side is full. Let's check out the other side. Otherwise, we're going to have to wait until someone leaves. I'm actually doing 2 pickups. I'm doing one for myself and one for my parents. So let's check the other side and see if they have any available parking spots for pickups. And it doesn't look like they do, which means we're gonna have to wait until someone leaves. You can see 8, 7, 6, and 5 are all full. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait until someone leaves. This is how popular this has been. This is great for working parents. Not necessarily working parents, period, who are too busy from running all the day's errands, whatever the case may be. This just makes it so much easier. You avoid the lineups. Usually, from my experience, the produce, anything that they bring out is fresh. I've had no complaints as of yet, so hopefully it'll stay that way. So yeah, I'm gonna wait and see if there's anything available. So I'm just gonna pause it for now and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I still haven't found a spot, but I'm wondering or asking myself, why are there so many pickups during this time frame? I mean, they do overlap, but there's too many. I mean, there's not enough spots. And I see a couple of cars that are parked in that spot for grocery pickup, and I do not see any. They've just parked there. I don't see anybody delivering groceries to them. There's nobody in the car. So are those cars parked to go in shopping? Because you can see here, these cars here that are parked in the pickup locations, there's nobody in them, and there's no groceries being delivered to them. So I wonder if they parked just for convenience because it's so close to the entrance door. So that's a big no-no, and that's not fair to the ones that are waiting to have their groceries delivered to them. Because right now I'm wasting gas going around in circles looking for a spot, and there are 8 spots available and they're all taken. So that's not fair. Not fair at all. Anyways, I will be back. That was my little rant. Okay guys, so we made it to parking lot 1. Now the person behind me, the person beside me, he's just sitting here on his cell phone, texting away. So I'm going to just stop this for a second and call them and tell them I'm ready for my pickup. I'll be right back. This is what I wanted to show you. There's all these cars here, but no one is, and someone just pulled up beside me, and they're definitely not waiting for their groceries because they're getting out of their car. So I'm gonna talk to the rep who brings out my groceries. Not that he'd probably know, but at least he can possibly let someone know, or maybe they can put other signs. I mean, it's pretty it says pickup, but people are just parking here because it's close to the entrance. And I'll show you where the entrance there is in relation to where I'm parked. So you can see the entrance is right over there. So you can see it's literally 5 steps away. So the time is now 11:30. Ooh, it's not focused there. Probably won't focus. Sorry, I don't know why it's not focused. The time is now 11:38. Let us see how long it'll take for the groceries to come to us. Still nothing. I'm just gonna go ahead and open up my trunk of my car. But yeah, you can see all these cars here have nobody inside, and they've just parked for the convenience of it, I'm assuming. But I'll ask the rep and see if he knows anything. I'm sure he doesn't, but he or she. But we'll ask. Okay, it looks like they are coming. I'm assuming this is for me. They're usually in these red and green crates. Right there. So I'm assuming that's for me. Hi. How come all these cars are parked here? Because I have to go around in circles. These people aren't waiting for groceries. Yeah, because I had to like go around for 20 minutes until this person left.
You're picking up
Okay.
And Emma has just one substitute, that's for strawberries.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so she ordered as 454 grams.
Right.
And they are breading 340 grams.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
Do we need to separate them or they're...
Are they bags inside?
Yeah.
No, you can just put them all together. That's fine. I'll separate them. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, that just closes. Okay. Yeah. Sorry about my screen, it's filthy, but you'll see. Time is now 11:46, and I'm just gonna stop this for now because there's someone who wants a spot because there's only one spot available. So I'll be right back. Okay, so groceries delivered. Easy process. They just seemed, I guess, just a little bit confused because I'm picking up 2 orders instead of the one, but nothing major. Okay, I'm gonna go through. Nothing too complicated. I'm not sure if you heard me ask them why all those cars are parked there. They apologized for it, but they didn't have an explanation. I didn't think they would. I don't think they would have known. But yeah, that's the negative. I'm not sure if that's at all Walmarts, but this particular one seems to be negative. And again, while I was there, no cars left except for that spot number 1, and then someone was already waiting for that spot when they were packing the groceries into my car. So yeah, they bring the groceries directly to your car, which is amazing. Simple, easy. Possibly maybe avoid picking up groceries on the weekend because I guess I would assume that's the busiest time for me. That's the only time I had available this week, and we needed a few things. So again, probably best to pick it on a weekday. If you can, possibly during the morning when most people are at work. I would think rush hours, you know, the typical rush hours would probably be busy because people leave work to pick them up. I don't know. I can't say that for sure. That's just, you know, my way of thinking. But yeah, overall the experience was good. My parents had absolutely no substitutes on their groceries, which means that everything they chose they had in stock. Myself, I just had the one substitute, and that was for the strawberries. That's the process of ordering online, picking it up, and it's simple. It's very, very, very simple, very easy, very convenient. I mean, a lot of people, I understand, don't like to shop at Walmart. I do. I find it convenient. I've had no problems with their groceries up to this point. So I myself, not sponsored at all, I myself do recommend it and will continue to use it unless, I mean, they give me a reason not to. But again, I just wanted to come on here and tell you that there is that $10 coupon available. It's Walmart 10, and that will remove $10 from your grocery bill. So in reality, you're getting $10 worth of groceries for free. So yeah, so I'm just headed home now to put my groceries away. If I have time, I'll share with you a little haul. I mean, I didn't buy a lot. It's just more of fill-ins, because I did a pretty decent grocery haul this week. Just needed a few staple items and some things that were on sale, like the bacon. The bacon was, I believe, I'm not sure, $2.87 or $2.88 for 375 grams, and it's the, oh gosh, I can't remember if it's the maple leaf or the Schneider's. I think it's the maple leaf. For $2.88, I mean, that's to me a very good deal, and I'm stocking up for the winter, so we did buy quite a few packages of those. So we went for that. Just a couple of sale items that we purchased, and again, just fill-ins until we do our next grocery. Well, thank you so much for coming along with me. Let me know down below if you have used Walmart online grocery shopping. What did you think of it? How was your experience? Did you use the $10 coupon? If not, I would use it. Again, if you're not a first-time online shopper with Walmart, then another adult in the household, I'm sure, can use it. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope maybe you learned something new that you possibly didn't know. This is great even for the winter months. Like, who likes to drag themselves to the grocery store in the middle of a snowstorm? I know I don't. You do have to come to the store, but again, you don't have to go and pick out your food in those crazy lineups that I have no patience for. I have no patience for lineups. That's just me. But yeah, so again, thank you so much for watching. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone, and we'll talk very soon. Have a fantastic day.